Unveiling the mystery. What are closet kits? Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to dive into an interesting phrase in the English language, closet kits. If you're curious about what this phrase means, especially in everyday use, you're in the right place. We'll break it down, explore its usage, and give you all the details you need to understand and use this phrase confidently. First, let's deconstruct the phrase. Closet refers to a small room or a space in a house used for storing clothes, shoes, and other items. It's a very common term in English-speaking households. On the other hand, kits generally refer to sets of items grouped together for a specific purpose. So, when we combine these two words, closet kits are sets of items or tools designed to organize or build a closet. Closet kits can vary widely. Some are simple, including just shelves and rods. Others are more complex, with drawers, bins, and even lighting. They come in different materials like wood, metal, or wire. Knowing these types can help you understand the context when someone mentions a closet kit. In everyday conversation, you might hear someone say, "I bought a closet kit to organize my wardrobe," or, "We're installing a closet kit in our bedroom." These sentences show the practical use of the term, often related to home improvement or organization. Understanding this phrase also gives insight into a cultural aspect. In many English-speaking countries, especially in the US, there is a strong culture of DIY, do-it-yourself, home improvement. Closet kits are popular in this context because they allow people to easily enhance their storage space without needing specialized skills. And that's all about closet kits. We hope this explanation clears up any confusion and helps you understand how and when to use this phrase. Remember, learning a language is not just about words but also about the culture and everyday life they reflect. Thanks for watching, and we hope this video has been helpful to you in your English language learning journey.